Hi everybody, I wanted to show you how to create your bibliographic information, your citation, through NoodleBib on our library's website. This is step number 2 in the summary response assignment. So you would go to our website, you would go to the library page, citing in NoodleBib, and then this comes up, and right here you click into Cite and Sign into Noodle Tools. Okay, it might prompt you to log in to create an account if you've never done it. So just use your Mail email and log in, and you'll create a new project here. Okay, so push pause on this video, do those couple steps so that you have Noodle Tools up on your screen. Okay, so from here, you're going to select a new project, and we'll call it Summary Response. For English, we always use MLA, Modern Language Association, so you click on that. And then we're going to do Advanced. Okay, the citation level is Advanced. And you're going to click Submit. Okay. Once you click Submit, it will create your own dashboard for this project. Now you can do lots of things in here. You can do multiple sources. You can type in a research question and your thesis. You can share it with the public. You can do to-do list. We are just going to click on sources up here at the top because all we're doing is one citation. Okay, so you're going to click New Source up here on the left-hand side. My computer is really, really slow today. So just give it a little bit to load. Yeah, I have like 0 bars. What? All right, so let's click New Source. Okay, we got it from a database. All of the articles that are on your Blackboard as choices all came from a database. So you're going to click Database, and they are all magazines. Okay, so when you pick that, then you're going to fill in the information. Okay, the database for all of yours is Academic Search Premier. Okay, for all of yours, I got them from Academic Search Premier. The date that you are accessing it is the date that you're going to put in, and then you're going to take the information from the author or authors, the article title, the name of the magazine, the volume, the issue, the publication date, and you're just typing in this information. Once you type in that information, you hit save, and it will generate your citation for you. Okay. If you're not sure, the pages, the magazine, all of that information, go into our website, go to Research Databases. This will take another second, I'm sure. You can browse by database A, since we have Academic Search Premier. And then you can enter the title of the article into the search. If you do an advanced search, you can do the author and the title of the article, okay, to get that information that you need. Excuse me. Once you fill it out, you'll click Save, and it will always be in Noodle Tools, NoodleBib. So you just go back into your project when you sign in, and you pick the Summary Response project, and you have your information that you can cut and paste. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, once you do that, you can check off 1, 2, 3, and your homework was number 4. Remember, we broke it down into 6 steps, and you're going to do steps 1 through 4 on those 6 steps. All right. I hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you soon.